If you're like me and you have ever toiled with tire irons, made your knuckles bleed, broke a sweat, and scratched up your rims, you'll appreciate this.
Zippity-doo dah time. Let the machine do the work. Rule number 17.3.
Well, Mike, another amazing job by you. Thank you very much.
Anytime, buddy, anytime, man.
What are your thoughts on these 18 inchers? Are they a little tougher?
They're great. The sidewall's taller. You don't pinch them like you do a 19 inch because the profile's a lot taller. They are the way to go in the woods.
I know that you've changed tires with spoons. How would you compare spoons to using this machine?
You don't see me sweating, do you?
That's amazing. Yeah, we always sweat and bust knuckles
Right.
with spoons.
You got that right.
That's great.
Most of the advantage is just holding the rim. The way the machine holds the wheel, it makes a big advantage of trying to do it over a bucket or something like that. So yep, I don't sweat anymore on them.
And you didn't put one mark on my DID Dirt Star wheels. I know eventually I'm going to get them all nicked up from riding in the woods, but I said right now they look too good.
You're not going to get them nicked up from me, that's for sure.
Wow. All right, Mike. Well, if anybody wants to get a hold of you for a tire change, what's the best way to get a hold of you?
Yeah, if you're local to Western Pennsylvania there around the Pittsburgh area and Natrona Heights, you could hit me up on Facebook, just Michael Warchol, W-A-R-C-H-O-L. Hit me up on Messenger. I do this while you wait. No damage to your wheel. Normally 20 bucks. You're in and out.
And you're a local legend over here. Because we got the 890 Honda ready to rip. So
well, if you see it, there's a few plaques under there hidden too.
Let's see if we can take a look. Oh my! Oh my! We
Found the plaque stash.
You shouldn't be hiding the wood under there. That's you got to display that proudly. You got too much. You got too many plaques.
You always got to hide the best wood.
There you go. I'll leave it at that. Congratulations. Thank you so much, Mike. Another great job.
Anytime, buddy. Thank you.
Thank you, everybody, for subscribing to Cycle Drag on YouTube. Thank you for the likes, the shares, the comments, and thank you for also liking CycleDrag.com on Facebook. Share it with your friends. If you keep it growing, we're going to keep bringing you awesome stuff like this. Thanks a lot. And again, that is Michael Warchol on Facebook, W-A-R-C-H-O-L. Hit him up if you're anywhere near the Pittsburgh area. He's a successful racer, and you will love the flexibility. He will change that tire while you wait. He's got great hours. Hit him up, schedule a tire change, let us know how it goes. You'll be happy you didn't make your knuckles bleed with the spoons. Again, Michael Warchol on Facebook, W-A-R-C-H-O-L. Check him out. And make sure you ask him how many times the 890 has been atop the podium in Western Pennsylvania. Thanks so much for watching. You know, if there's anything fast motorcycle involved, we are in. Cycle Drag rolls on.